cái gì sẽ cho tàu phấn bại và đi bên thập buồn vẫn nhọ tâm một kia được vẫn nên tài ở phát sinh
cái chuyện ít cái cái way bắt cái chuyện thang cái chuyện angut cái chuyện phát ba tu ba la badong tu ba la nya la khai tu ba jelap ya ke politics ke ba ya ke sin syari ke Islam ba
Doctor, you're leading by a huge margin. As of the latest trend, you're leading by a huge margin. So how do you feel right now?
well, thank God for that news and thank God for the support that people are giving us, and we look forward to us still a long way, so we wait for the final result and we will, I think, give a comment once the final results are out.
Was it expected? This kind
As a
of
party, we do expect for a good result. And so the early trend, I believe it goes in line with the thinking of the party. Well, I believe that people, they fed up with the kind of politics that we've had in our state for quite some time now. And people want change, and they see in us that we are a party with a difference, like we've been saying. And so this is the result, I believe, of the longing of the people. So we look forward for to fulfill the dreams and aspiration of the people for the change which they have been looking forward to.